What if I told you that your body holds the key to its own healing? What if the answers to better health and well-being have been around for thousands of years, hidden in plain sight, waiting for modern science to catch up? Join me on a journey that takes us from ancient wisdom to cutting-edge research, revealing the profound truth about the healing power that resides within you. We are living in an era where science and technology have advanced at an unprecedented pace. Yet despite all our progress, we still find ourselves searching for the secrets to optimal health and healing. As we peel back the layers of complexity in our quest for wellness, we often overlook the most fundamental truth, the inherent healing power of our own bodies. This innate ability to heal has been recognized by ancient civilizations long before it started getting attention in the Western world. Let's take a deep dive into the science behind this incredible phenomenon and see how it challenges conventional medical practices. At its core, this principle is rooted in the placebo effect. You might be thinking, yes, I know what a placebo is. It's that sugar pill in a medical trial that has no active ingredients but still produces a physiological response in the body. When we believe something will make us feel better, whether through faith in a medical treatment or the soothing touch of a balm passed down through generations, our bodies respond. Science has come full circle, validating what our ancestors knew intuitively, that we possess an extraordinary capacity to heal ourselves. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist, author, and lecturer, emphasizes this in his work. Through this lens, Dispenza encourages us to see ourselves as authors of our own health, capable of influencing our biological destiny. This aligns beautifully with the traditional healing systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, which have long emphasized the interconnectedness of our mind, body, and spirit. They recognize that true healing involves addressing not just the physical ailment, but also the emotional and energetic imbalances that may contribute to illness. In a groundbreaking study published in 2014, Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist and tenured professor in the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences at the Stanford University School of Medicine, explored the fascinating relationship between stress and our biological makeup. His research revealed that chronic stress can lead to significant changes in our DNA methylation patterns, which in turn influence gene expression. What's even more remarkable is that these changes aren't permanent. By managing our stress levels, we can reverse these epigenetic modifications and restore optimal gene expression. This finding has profound implications for our understanding of health and disease. It shows that environmental factors like stress can have a profound impact on our well-being, but it also offers hope. By implementing effective stress reduction techniques, we can potentially counteract negative epigenetic changes and promote healing. When you believe in your body's innate healing potential, you become an active participant in your own health journey. It's like igniting a flame that fuels the healing process. Your mindset can either support or hinder your body's natural healing mechanisms. A positive and hopeful attitude can help you navigate the challenges of illness or injury more gracefully. On the other hand, fear, anxiety, and doubt can sometimes weaken your body's healing response. Cultivating a positive mindset involves embracing affirmations, practicing gratitude, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Another critical factor is stress reduction. Chronic stress can be detrimental to your health, slowing down or even blocking the healing process. It's like a storm cloud hanging over your body's ability to heal. Prolonged stress can weaken your immune system and disrupt hormonal balance, making it harder for your body to repair and rejuvenate. Effectively managing stress is essential for promoting healing. This can include incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. By finding ways to calm your mind and body, you create a more conducive environment for healing to occur. Another key factor is taking appropriate actions to support the body's healing process. This includes following medical advice, adhering to treatment plans, and making lifestyle modifications as recommended by healthcare professionals. It's like providing the necessary tools and resources to help your body heal effectively. For example, getting enough rest, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and engaging in gentle physical activity can all contribute to the healing process. It's important to remember that while the body has an incredible healing ability, it doesn't always have all the tools it needs to do the job. That's where external support comes in. Providing the body with the right nutrients, rest, and care can make a significant difference in its ability to heal and recover. The power of touch is a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries and time itself. Whether it's the gentle caress of a loved one or the healing hands of a practitioner, touch has an extraordinary ability to connect with our innermost being and facilitate healing. Throughout history, various cultures have recognized the therapeutic benefits of touch in promoting physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In traditional healing practices like Ayurveda, massage and bodywork are integral components of the healing process. They are not just relaxing and rejuvenating, but also serve to restore balance and harmony within the body's energy systems. Let's explore the fascinating world of neuroplasticity and its implications for our healing journey. Our brain possesses an incredible ability to change and adapt throughout our lives. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's capacity to modify its structure and function in response to experiences, learning, and even our thoughts. It's like the brain's way of rewiring itself to meet new challenges and heal from injuries. When we focus on positive thoughts, engage in mindfulness practices, or learn new skills, we're actively shaping our brain's neuroplasticity. These activities stimulate the growth of new neurons and strengthen connections between existing ones. This enhanced connectivity can lead to improved cognitive function, emotional resilience, and even physical healing. By harnessing neuroplasticity, we can support our brain's inherent healing abilities and promote overall well-being. Epigenetics is another fascinating field that sheds light on how our behaviors and environment can influence our health. The term epigenetics literally means above genetics. It refers to the study of heritable changes in gene expression that occur without alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. Imagine our DNA as a vast library filled with books, genes, that hold the instructions for our bodies. Epigenetics is like having a librarian who decides which books are readily available, expressed, and which ones are kept on the shelf. These epigenetic modifications can be influenced by various factors, including our diet, stress levels, and lifestyle choices. They play a crucial role in determining how our genes are expressed, and these expressions can affect our susceptibility to diseases, our response to medications, and even the risk of certain conditions being passed down to future generations. Understanding epigenetics empowers us to make informed choices and take proactive steps to support our health and well-being. By adopting healthy habits, managing stress, and making positive lifestyle modifications, we can influence epigenetic modifications and promote healing. The mind-body connection is a profound recognition of the intricate relationship between our mental and physical states. It acknowledges that our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions directly influence our physical health and well-being. This connection is not a new concept. Ancient healing traditions have long emphasized the importance of the mind in the healing process. Practices like meditation and mindfulness have been used for centuries to foster a connection between the mind and body, promoting not only relaxation, but also healing and balance. Research has shown that our emotions and thoughts can significantly impact our immune function, making it crucial to address the mind-body connection in healthcare. By nurturing a healthy mind-body connection, we can unlock the body's inherent healing power and enhance our overall well-being. Your body possesses an extraordinary ability to heal itself, and you can actively support this process by making conscious choices in your daily life. While modern medicine has made incredible advancements, it's essential to recognize the wisdom embedded in ancient healing systems. Your body holds the key to its own healing, and you are the key holder. Embrace the power within you to heal and thrive. By combining the insights of ancient wisdom with the latest scientific discoveries, you can embark on a transformative journey towards optimal health and well-being. Remember, you are not just a patient, but an active participant in your own healing story. Trust the inherent healing power of your body and support it every step of the way. Together, you and your body can navigate the path to better health, drawing upon the timeless wisdom that has guided humanity for generations.